This is really a very good prompt that I'm using because I have been facing problem when I'm searching some video on any topic in the YouTube. So what we currently do, we will just come to the YouTube and we will write one topic that, okay, I want to search something about, for example, generative AI. So it will give you a lot of videos and it will be difficult for you to select which one is the best video. But I have found a very a good way to overcome this problem. First of all, you have to come to this prompt. I'll be sharing this with you. This is a universal prompt. Here I have written that I'm complete beginner to this topic. You have to write, see, copy this prompt and put it in your uh, uh, Google Gemini. Okay. When you put in Google Gemini, you can modify this search topic and you can modify something like, for example, here you can remove this under 20 minutes or you can say under 60 minutes, depends on your topic. Okay. Here also you can change to 2026 or you can say 2020, depends on you. These are the things that you need to change. You just need to copy this prompt and put it in the Google Gemini. And when you put it in the Google Gemini will give you the top videos about any topic. For example, I have searched about some other topic by Google Gemini.